chicken. Unfried chicken.
If you want something guiltless and delicious, go to Kenny's and be wise with your decisions. Hear the crunch in every bite. Go on, spice up your appetite. Go on, get that OMG chicken. Ain't gonna lie, unfried fried chicken. Or make it spicy, OMG chicken. Take a bite, OMG, unfried fried chicken. Can you hear it? OMG chicken.
Give it a try, not fried. Unfried fried chicken. Everyone is gonna love this part. Get the crunch right from the start. Come on, get in this. It's guiltless, made with Kenny's awesome spices. Go on, get that OMG chicken. Ain't gonna lie, unfried fried chicken. Or make it spicy. OMG chicken, take a bite. OMG, unfried fried chicken. Get aside. Get it right. OMG chicken.
Time to bite that chicken without guilt. Air fried has a lightness you can feel. Make it spicy and feel that kick. Lesser calories with no tricks. Go on, get that OMG chicken. Ain't gonna lie, unfried fried chicken. Or make it spicy. OMG chicken, take a bite. OMG, unfried fried chicken.
Go on, get that
OMG chicken, ain't gonna lie.
unfried fried chicken.
Make it spicy. OMG chicken, take a bite. OMG, unfried fried chicken.
OMG chicken. Unfried fried chicken. OMG. OMG chicken.
85559,000. Kenny Rogers Roasters. 85559,000. Kenny Rogers Roasters.
Kenny Rogers. OMG unfried fried chicken.
Our new and improved, original or spicy OMG unfried fried chicken. Only at Kenny Rogers Roasters.